Game anhygoel, gyd o lads yn just drafftio i'n gilydd. Just, dwi ddim yn gwybod beth i dweud, dwi'n just absolutely buzzing, yeah.
Ac wrth gwrs, chdi yn bersonol, chdi sgoriodd y gôl holl bwysig. Yeah. Honna di'r gôl bwysica ti di sgorio yn dyrfa?
Probably, yeah. Wel, mae'n dibynnu ar y semis os dwi'n mynd i sgorio yn fanna, ond wel, na trio fo gorau glas, ond yeah, dwi'n just so hapus, yeah.
Well, it's just fantastic to get into the semi-final. It was something that we wanted to aspire to. So Barri, really tough opponents. We knew that because we'd watched them 2 or 3 times prior to the game. So we knew how difficult a task it was, and they'd not conceded a goal in the entire rounds getting to this stage. So but the home draw was our big pull really, and support, and what a fantastic crowd today.
Steve, after results like that, people tend to talk about the magic of the cup. There's nothing magical though when you're at the wrong end of those results. What went wrong this afternoon?
It's a difficult one to answer. What went wrong? I think I just got to give Rhyl credit. I thought they give absolutely everything today. As you can see, the last 10 minutes they're going down in 3-4s with cramp. They give everything, and like I say, in cup football, you get the results, and it's really tough when you're on the wrong end of them.
This season we've let ourselves down in a couple of games that we know we should have won, but that happens in a season. But in this tie today, we had a plan, and to a man, I've just said that to the lads in the dressing room, they stuck to it, and we had to, because Barri are a good side, and had we have not done that, we could have come away with a 3 or 4-0 defeat. So fair play to the lads. As I always say, it's once we give them the instructions, it's up to them to go on the park and deliver it, and today they've done exactly that.
You can see from the pitch around us, it's cut up during the game. It seemed to me at times that your side struggled a bit with the conditions underfoot. Is that fair?
Yeah, 100%. But I don't want to, I'm glad you brought it up. I weren't going to bring it up. But hey, it's a difficult pitch, all right? And it's a bit of a leveller. I get that, but it's the same for both teams. Okay, they probably, they play on it every other week. They're probably used to it. But that's not an excuse. That's not an excuse. It just weren't our day. We had moments at the end where we just wanted that equaliser. Keeper pulls off a couple of great saves, and that's cup football. It's devastating and really disappointing for the fans. They've come up with the numbers today, and I really want to thank them for that, because they were absolutely outstanding. I'm just disappointed that we couldn't get the win from them, because they deserved that. But look, I can't fault the boys I've got. They give everything. We weren't good enough on the day today, and Rhyl got the result that he deserved.
The draw will be the draw. Whoever we get, they're going to be in for a battle. So let's see who we get. At the end of the day, who cares? We're in the semi-final, last 4 of the competition, and get ourselves ready to go to battle and see if we can get in the final.